Robinhood just detonated the bomb. This is a good news for the Dogecoin investors. Make sure that you watch till the end. The leading cryptocurrency company, Robinhood, made a striking statement on behalf of Dogecoin. There's a new wallet from Robinhood. They basically launched this new wallet this very week, and it is in the process of rolling out over 1 million users. This new product works as a standalone smartphone application that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies, access decentralized applications, or as we know it, DApps, and store non-fungible tokens or NFTs. This is a Web 3.0 wallet that uses layer 2 scaling solution Polygon MATIC to provide exchange without network fees, and also it announced that it supports Ethereum, the leading smart contract platform. In addition, investors can transfer and trade more than 50 tokens. However, on the popular social media platform Twitter, some cryptocurrency investors have raised questions about when Robinhood will support the leading meme token, that is the Dogecoin. Basically, they stood up to support Dogecoin. And in their statement to the well-known crypto company Robinhood, he gave the following statements as good news for Doge investors. He says, "Don't worry, we're working hard to support Doge." Robinhood Crypto Money CEO Johan Kerbrad, in an announcement where he shared his views on the subject, said that the work of the crypto money company is in full swing, even while making this statement. He said that we're adding new tokens to the list, supported by his words. Right now, the price of the Dogecoin is 0.086. It is also the 9th ranked cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Unit has increased by 5.41% in the last 24 hours. It has also recorded a price increase of around 25% since the beginning of the 2023. But despite Doge's recent price hikes, it's still trading down more than 88% from all-time high of $0.731 that was in May 2021. Robinhood first released the beta version of this crypto wallet in the last September, so I'm really hopeful that the Doge investors rejoice soon. But yeah, this is what I'll see you guys in this video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.